Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 16 plate Mitsubishi ASX. This is the 1.6 petrol ZC specification with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in frost white, and it's covered just 16,000 miles. So have a good walk around this extremely low mileage petrol Mitsubishi ASX. Lovely looking car in the frost white. April 2016 registered, just 16,000 miles. It's had one owner from brand new, privately owned, just the one owner. Really low mileage. We've got these 16-inch silver alloy wheels with matching Yokohama tyres all round. They're in superb condition. Really well maintained throughout its life despite the low mileage. We've got 7 recorded services, so it's been serviced every year from new. Properly looked after vehicle. 1.6 petrol, 115 brake horsepower with that 5-speed manual gearbox. Over 40 to the gallon on a combined run according to Mitsubishi, so not too bad at all. It's 2-wheel drive. It's a front-wheel drive car. SUV sort of shape, so raised seating position just to help with visibility and access, so you're slightly higher off the ground. Nice big windows. £190 a year to tax as we take a look inside. In really good condition. Inside and outside there's just one nick on the seat just here towards the front, but other than that very nice and tidy. Door cards are in good shape. Remote central locking, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got the carpet mats which run throughout, up onto the steering wheel which is in good shape. You've got controls for your radio there. Manual handbrake down below, a couple of cup holders, armrest here which lifts up, and in there you've got a USB and you've got another 12-volt socket with some storage. Some storage down there with a cigarette lighter, air conditioning of course. It's a very straightforward setup, as Mitsubishis have always been really. You got all your handbooks in the glove box there. There's not much to go wrong. There's your mileage, 16455. Radio CD at the top, air conditioning down below. It's as straightforward as that. If you're after something that does exactly what it says on the tin, will no doubt be reliable, being Japanese, then this is the one to go for. Excellent value for money. You do get electric windows in the back, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, and of course the ISOFIX for the child seats as well. Lovely and tidy in the back of the car. Plenty of room in there. And then into the boot space. Again, this is pretty impressive. Parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then you've got this nice big spacious boot space. Not much of a lip to negotiate. Again, very clean and tidy. You've got storage wells on both sides, and it does have the Brucey bonus of a spare wheel. And you've got your locking wheel nut key and all your bits and bobs down there. So there we have it, April 2016 Mitsubishi ASX petrol 1.6 ZC with the manual gearbox, 16,000 miles from one owner and a full 7-stamp service history. Excellent mid-sized petrol SUV, sensible running costs. Finance is available from less than £180 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment-only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. For any more information, registration number insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Excellent value, Japanese Petrol, should be extremely reliable. Won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.